Bad odors in your car can make every ride uncomfortable and unpleasant. It can be a real headache and making it hard to enjoy your drive. Luckily, there are simple and effective ways to get rid of bad odors in your car. Vinegar is great for getting rid of bad odors in your car because it neutralizes smells naturally. To remove bad odors from your car, start by sprinkling vinegar on the interior surfaces. This will help neutralize any unpleasant smells. Next, add a few drops of dishwashing liquid soap to the vinegar and mix it gently with your hands, ensuring it spreads evenly across the surfaces. Using a cloth wash brush, scrub the interior for about 20 minutes, focusing on areas with visible dirt and stains. After scrubbing, leave the mixture on the surfaces for 1 hour to allow the vinegar and soap to work effectively. Once the time has passed, vacuum the car to remove any dirt and excess liquid. Then, clean all surfaces with a microfiber cloth to eliminate any remaining residue. Afterward, sprinkle baking soda generously on the carpets and other fabric surfaces. Baking soda is great at absorbing odors, so let it sit for about 2 hours. Once the time is up, vacuum the interior again to remove all the baking soda. Finally, wipe down the surfaces with a microfiber cloth to ensure everything is clean and fresh. By following these steps, you can effectively eliminate bad smells and leave your car smelling fresh. Baking soda absorbs bad odors, neutralizes smells, and freshens the air. Baking soda is a great odor neutralizer. Simply sprinkle it on your car's carpets and floor mats. Let it sit for 15 to 30 minutes, then vacuum it up. It absorbs odors and helps your car smell fresh. A car air freshener helps eliminate bad odors and keeps your car smelling pleasant. It is easy to use and comes in many scents. Meguiar's whole car air freshener quickly eliminates odors and leaves a long-lasting fresh scent. Just spray it inside your car to eliminate odors. It works fast and leaves a fresh, clean scent throughout the car. Perfect for keeping your car smelling great for longer periods. So, by applying these effective methods and product, you can get rid of bad odors in your car.